Today in this video you will learn that is a division of algebraic expression within the chapter algebraic operations. Now we are going to solve some problems of monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, and also the polynomial to polynomial. We are going to solve all those divisions. Let's start. Division, the first you need to understand that is what are the rules. If you could understand the rule, then it will be very easier for to solve the problems. Then now what is the rule? If suppose x is a variable and m and n are positive integers such that m is greater than n, then x to the power m divide x to the power n, it will be x to the power m minus n. This is the rule. Now if we are just going to start using this rule, that is the division of monomial by a monomial. Rule is quotient of these two monomials will be, that is the quotient of their numericals into quotient of their variables. Now we are following this rule. See here. Suppose this is a monomial, this is also another monomial. That is 12x cube y square divide minus 3xy. So this is 12 by 2. This is 12 by minus 3. This is coming minus 3. Now this is x cube y square divided by xy. This is actually the numerical part, this is the alphabetical part. Now it is coming, see, this is coming, this is 4. This is the numerical part, and plus into minus it will be minus. Sign is minus and this is the numerical part. And the next part is x cube minus, this is 1 power, this is also 1 power. This is the same rule we are already just discussed for. This is x3 minus 1, that is coming, and y2 minus 1. So your answer will be minus 4 x square and y. This is your answer. Next is division of a polynomial by a monomial. It was actually monomial by monomial. It's a polynomial by a monomial. Now the rule is actually divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. That is the polynomial which is given. This is suppose 15x cube y4 plus 5x square y cube minus 10x square y square. This is the polynomial. So you need to just divide this with the help of one monomial 5x square y square. The rule is divide each term of the polynomial by monomial. See, we are just now splitting this into each term. That is this term 5x cube y4 divided by 5x square y square. In this way each term by monomial. See, if you are just doing the LCM, it is coming the same thing over here. Now do this calculation. If it is coming here, this is 5, it is still 3. It has come 3. Then x3 minus 2, that is coming x. y4 to the power 4 minus 2, it is y square. The sign is plus. This 5 is cut. This x square minus x square, it is actually cut it off. And y cube minus y to the power 3 minus 2, it is coming y1 minus y. And this is 2, and this is x square, this is cut it off. And this is your answer is 3x y square plus y minus 2. This is your answer. Division of polynomial by a polynomial. This is very, very important. Just rule, what are the rules? You need to understand that one for very fast. See, arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in decreasing order of the of their decrease. This is the first rule. Second is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. This is the arranging. Then first term of dividend is to be divided by the first term of the divisor. After that, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Quotient, what we got it, that is with the help of that first term you need to multiply the whole divisor. And then subtract the result from the dividend. This is the third rule. Next is consider the remainder as a new dividend and proceed as before. So proceed as before. So we are just doing, that is a remainder has come and consider that is actually the new dividend. Repeat this process till we obtain a round one figure which is actually remainder, which will actually either it will be 0 or a polynomial of degree less than that of the divisor. Now what is actually this stands for, that is I am just giving one example. Suppose this is a polynomial x plus 2 and this is another polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 2. You need to just divide this one. See what actually the first one is telling, that is all these are, see degrees are in descending order. This is descending order, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now this is also 1 and 0. So it is in the descending order form. Second is, it is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. That is, this is the first term of the divisor x cube. First term of the divisor is x. It is coming x square. And this is the first term of the quotient. This is the first term of the quotient. Now multiply this x square by the whole divisor. That is x square into x plus 2. Then it is coming x cube plus 2x square. So we are just putting this, that is with the, that is a like term wise, that is a column wise. Now we are doing the, that is a subtraction. It is plus, it is minus, this plus minus, this cut it off. This is coming minus 4x square. Then is coming minus 7x. Once again, this is the new, that is the remainder, that is it will be the new dividend. What is actually telling, this is the consider the remainder as the new dividend, and proceed as before. Once again, this is the first term minus 4x square. This is the first term of this divisor. This is x, and this is coming minus 4x. Minus 4x has come with in the your question, and minus 4x is multiplied. Minus 4x is multiplied the whole divisor. It is coming minus 4x square minus 4x. Minus 4x square minus 8x. So minus 4, now we are just subtracting. This is coming plus and plus. It has come x, and this was 2, and this is coming 2. And now this is another, that is a new dividend whose actually first term is x. This first term is x. That is x by x. It will be coming 1, and this is coming plus 1. This is, has come plus 1. Plus 1, it will be multiplied this one, that is 1 into x plus 2. And this has come x plus 2. Minus this will be cutting, and this is the remainder is 0. And your quotient is has come this one. This is the actually the division, that is. So students, just before doing the sums, you need to understand all the steps of the process, how to just do the sum. If you could understand this process, and this is the actually the rules what need to just adapt to solve any problem, it will be very much easier for you just doing the correct answer as well as the correct way you can solve the problem of any, that is division on the polynomial to polynomial, or maybe the monomial to monomial, or maybe the polynomial to monomial, whatever may be. You need to understand the rules. I am just, once again I am just giving you, that is what is the actual the rule you have to just adapt all the way. See here, number 1, arrange the term, whatever may be the term of the polynomial or the dividend, it will be just, it need to be arranged, the terms in the dividend and divisor, along with the divisor also in the decreasing order. Okay, decreasing order of their degrees. Now divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So here what we have, this is the divisor, dividend, first term of the dividend, first term of the divisor, we are just dividing this one, and that is actually the first term of the quotient. And this quotient, first term of the quotient will be multiplied the divisor, and you will get this. Then it is actually to be this, what you are just getting this one, no, this is actually the, it will be subtracted from this, that is first term of the divisor, and this, subtract the result from the dividend, subtract the result from the dividend, that is it is coming this one. And once again, this is actually the new one, it has come the remainder as a new remainder over here, remainder, new remainder, it will be another dividend, that is a new dividend. Now once again do the, that is the last process we have already maintained, that is the first term divide this one, this has come minus 4x, it has come to the quotient. And this minus 4x, with the help of minus 4x, it will be divisor will be multiplied, and it has come, this is 4x square plus minus 8. So minus 8x, 4x square minus 8x. And now you just do the subtraction over here. Subtraction, you know, that is the sign will be changed. Minus plus, this is minus plus. It will be coming only plus x, and this has come another 2 is remaining over there. Now once again, this degree is equal to this degree. You note it, that is your degree will be, your new degree, it will be less than the degree of the divisor. That is your, it will be the less than and that of the divisor. This divider degree is 1. Here is also 1. So it is actually just going the another part. That is x by x, it is actually just coming, this is 1. So it is has come this one, this degree must be less than the dividend. So here it has come 1 into x plus 2, it will be x plus 2, and if you are just subtract this one, it has, your remainder has come 0. So this is actually the whole process, just how to solve the division problem, that is a division of polynomial by a polynomial.